So this is the 2003 Ford Mustang V6. Just installed that in Kenwood. You can see there. It's Bluetooth, no CD. Just USB, aux, Bluetooth. Like I said, that's the model number there. Very sleek. You can hook up two phones at the same time. Looks awesome and very easy to do with the harness. You got to get the harness and this faceplate right here. Okay. So first you put this into the #1 position. Then you just rip this out. You can use just your fingers. Grab it here, rip it out, and then this you rip out. So all this will come out. Not the knob, sorry, just this outer panel here. No screws, so you just keep pulling on it and it'll come out. And then the old one will have 2 screws, or 2 nuts, I guess. So you'll need a nut driver. Can't remember what size it was. There's just one here and one there. You pull out the old system. It's a piece of cake. Then I installed the Bluetooth mic right here. You can see that. It's not focusing. But anyways, I just pulled out this panel here. Again, just use your fingers. Pull this out, ran the wire down. Then I pulled out this panel right here. This panel. The little steering column. Again, no screws. Ran the wire through there. And then, so I ran the wire through there. And then I just went in here, plugged it in. I'll tell you, with the harness, it's very easy to do. My clock's wrong again. The date's right, clock's wrong. Date's right, clock's wrong. So that might be a memory issue thing, a memory wire that I forgot to kind of join up with the 12-volt wire. But no big deal. But yeah, so this is my 2003 Ford Mustang V6.